Did you know bees dance to talk to each other? It's called the waggle dance, and it's how bees share the best spots to find nectar. It's like their own secret language. But that's not all. Bees are super pollinators, helping plants grow food like apples, strawberries, and even almonds. And guess what? A single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in one day. Talk about being busy. Bees also produce honey, a sweet treat made from flower nectar. Yum! If you love bees as much as we do, share this video and help spread the buzz about these amazing creatures.